like, subscribe, follow along. We rip apart a rotary engine. It's great. We did it. You guys, I have found car lovers heaven, Pontiacs, and all kinds of crazy stuff. There's so much stuff here, guys. Super cool. Bodies and convertibles and so much stuff. All hot rods and Model Ts and you name it, it is here. Guys, this place is insane. There's so much stuff, guys, you don't even understand. Can't even show you it all. Alright guys, this is why we are here. Getting things moved so we can grab it. This is a 12A carbureted with a manual transmission rotary engine. Let's see how it is. We have made it home. I'm not sure what to expect. It's definitely been sitting. Okay, we got it out of the van in one piece. We didn't die. Man, it's crazy some of the rust and corrosion that it's seen. It's definitely seen better days with some of these things, but luckily most of that is replaceable and I'll be replacing it anyways, but I'll have to figure out what's going on with everything here. This is going to be our first breakdown, inspection, rebuild of a rotary engine, and it should be pretty good. Okay, pull it over to the shade. We're going to start taking stuff apart. I got my helpers with me today. We're going to see what state this is really in, and if we're lucky, the inside looks great. If we're not, the inside doesn't look great. Okay, things already looking different. Smog put off, alternators off, old harnesses out, getting distributors out. I'm working on taking off, finish getting the starter off here. Then I could take off the transmission. We can get it down to block, disconnect some of this kind of stuff, figure out what all this is. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I think we got the carb done. Did we get everything disconnected? What are we not?
Hoses.
We got more hoses?
Bottom hose down here.
So many hoses on these things. Boom. What do we got? Spring.
More hoses.
Got a spring over here.
And more hoses. So many hoses.
Great.
I know.
We'll take that in the garage. Out here at night, trying to get this stupid car manifold thing off. There is barely a crack under here to get those nuts right there. They hate us. So, when I have it far enough out where I can swing the top out enough and slide it up out. Yeah, I think so. Real close. It's gonna tip over. Let's get this board down. Oh, and that popped it off. Oh, that thing weighs a ton. Freaking emissions crap. So I'm rebuilding. Hopefully the inside is not too bad, and we can salvage what we got. It's a late night. Things have happened. A lot of pieces have come off. Okay guys, we've been working on it. I can't get this off yet, and that's loose. That should be able to come out. Take off the front cover here and get the oil pump and stuff off. And the big thing was a stupid nut. Might still be hot. I beat on it, hit it with the impact, hit it with all kinds of stuff for a while. Couldn't get it. Went ahead to borrow my friend's big dog gun. Enough heat. We got the sucker to come off. Yeah. Let me turn on a light here for us. Well, that's cool. There's the seal. There's the plate. Take those off. We'll take out the front stuff first, and then I'll flip it over, take this off. We gotta take off all of those 17s. The freeze plugs look good. I will, if I can find ones to replace them, I will. And we got a little painting and rust fixing, removing, recoating, making things look better. Well, that's rusty water. Not sure exactly where it came out of. It's definitely water. Dang. That's not good. It runs all the way out of the driveway. Man, this zone has gotten crazy today with getting this thing apart. So we'll tip it up. I'll take off this top. I'll take off the oil pan and see what we got. Okay, so there's definitely surface rust in here. It's not as bad in here as I thought it would be. The oil pump is definitely seized, but the little needle bearing, looks like it's in really good shape. See how shiny and new that looks? So I'm putting a lot of this stuff in bags. You can see where the water was up on the bottom of here. The chain's kind of crusty at the bottom from being wet, so I'm gonna have to soak that. I'm gonna take this off, and then I think I can flip it after that and try to destack it. So not looking too bad. There's like an O-ring right here. I think there's an O-ring in there. I'm just trying to like visually watch these things and where all these keyways go. There's like 3 or 4 keyways in here, just to understand where it goes again, and like things I should replace when I'm rebuilding it. Okay, we got it on the bucket. This is our engine stand for now. I know they make adapters to hold it for engine stands. We're gonna have to get them and actually see like where they mount. I'm not even sure where they mount on this, so I can bring my engine stand in. So for the rebuild, it'd be nicer to have it on the stand. Work on taking off all of the studs or bolts or connecting stuff. Okay, we took it apart. There's a little time lapse. I was on TikTok live, had some people join in. It was awesome. I'm gonna put some parts in bags, move stuff around. Things aren't looking as good as I was hoping, but some things look better than I was expecting. So we'll see if we have anything usable right here. I hope we do. So you have it. Breakdown of a 12A 2-rotor engine and what it entails. Some fun stuff, some not so fun stuff. If this was nice and clean and great and rotating, it'd be even easier to take apart. But it wasn't. And that was to be expected for the price I paid for everything. And definitely needs rebuild, which is cool. That's why I got it. I want to learn how to do it. And I'll have to send pictures and figure out what's going on with here. So thanks for following along. We definitely tore it down. So hopefully you see what we got going on here. And then I can one day show you the car and the build plans for this engine. Carbureted 12A with a 5-speed transmission. And it's going to be sick.